Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install CamScanner on your mobile phone. Either you're using iPhone or Android phone. So what you have to do is for you to go over to your Apple Store or Play Store. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So go over to the search area and search it CamScanner, which is the first one here. Let me go over to it, and this is the app, which is CamScanner PDF scanner app. You have to go over to this download side and go over and tap in download. You tap in download, you're going to download it straight to your phone. And in my next video I'm going to show you how to use the app, what you need to know about CamScanner, how to scan file into PDF. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.